This is a first video about web development from scratch and programming in general if it's totally new to you. Before I will tell you more about it, please go to this website stackblitz.com, the link in the description, and now I will maximize it. Okay, let's scroll to this JavaScript blank project, click it. Don't worry, you don't have to register or anything, it is possible but not required. Cool. We have something generated. Don't worry about this because we will just remove it. And also we don't need this list of files, so close it. Close those model windows. Okay, and now let's also drag this console up because we'll only use this thing and not this visual preview. Now I will also make it bigger for you guys. And let's change the title. Hello 2022. It is not that important, but you know, it's cool to have a name for it. Cool. So here is the place where we'll put the code and there will be the output. So the console is the place to see the output of our code because we will not have anything visual like with HTML and CSS to style it. We only will be working with text output for today and a few other videos. Okay, to see something here, what you can do is type console.log parentheses single quotation marks hello and add a semicolon at the end. You can save it. The code re-executed because every time when you stop typing here in this tool, the code is re-executed. This thing first, the console was cleared, is added by the tool, so don't worry about it. What we want to focus on is hello. So this hello is actually this thing. If it was the first time you wrote some code, congrats! If you are not new to programming totally because you coded in some other languages or environments, this is how you print stuff in JavaScript. I will quickly explain it. To print something, we use this log function, and to execute, you put things in parentheses, and those things are arguments. A text hello in this case, and this log function, when executed, will print it to the console. This is actually called a method. I will explain this in future videos. What you can see here, that this is console and here is a console. So you can like see that this is somehow connected and this dot is like an access for this method within this scope. You need to add this console dot and there is log, because log in programming also mean like print, display, not only like login, like signing in to some website or something, but also printing to the console like here or to the files. So you use this console log and pass some arguments. In this case, it is a text called hello. That will be actually all code we will write today in this video. So now I will explain the whole series, and there are already uploaded few more videos, so you can check them out. Whole point of this series is to make it as easy to start without installing anything, without registering anywhere. Just go straight to the code and really make it bite-sized, so the videos will be small. You can make them in your own pace. What is important though is to actually not only watch the videos but also do what I show here. So experiment, don't worry. You can expect way cooler things in future videos, but to make them possible you have to learn some basics, and this is one of it. So it's like printing this to the console is actually learning you how to execute the functions or methods in this case. Over the time, some of the videos will be more complex, more advanced, so you can actually make some cooler things. But I will also need to add that There is a Discord server I have. If you are new to Discord, it's like a collection of chats with channels. So you can hang out there, you can ask questions, and we also can have some fun, like playing games together. So be sure to check it out because it will actually add a lot to the whole videos. Check the new videos that some of them are already uploaded, and see you next time. Bye!